How to use an iClicker as a student. When you're at this screen and the instructor is showing you an iClicker question, like for instance this one, and they click on A to E, if there is a different frequency in this room than other rooms, you'll be getting this notification that you have to set your iClicker to be in this frequency. In this case, it's BB. So the way to do that is hold the on-off button on your clicker until the power button blinks. And then when it does, click on BB. When you do, all the lights for all the buttons will light up at one time. And then your instructor will probably take off this question and then go close. And then you can answer the question. And when you hit it, then the button will show that one person has answered, but other students will probably answer as well. And then when they're done, the instructor will hit stop, and then will show the results, and then will indicate which one was correct. You'll be able to see if the one that you answered was correct or not. And then exit. The instructor may choose to upload these grades into Blackboard, and you can check them there. If the instructor goes to the next question then and repeats it, they'll go A to E, and then you can answer this one as well.